Many nutrition experts call enzymes the spark of life because they play a necessary role in virtually all of the biochemical activities that occur in the body. They are essential for digesting food, metabolizing nutrients, stimulating the brain, providing cellular energy, and repairing tissues, organs, and cells. Enzyme functions are so numerous and diverse that listing them all would be impossible. But the easiest designation is that enzymes are often divided into two main groups: digestive enzymes and metabolic enzymes. Digestive enzymes will be the focus for this discussion. Digestive enzymes break down the foods you eat. They metabolize the nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, enabling them to be absorbed into the bloodstream for use in multiple bodily functions. While the body does manufacture a supply of enzymes, it can and does also obtain enzymes from the fruits and vegetables you eat. Unfortunately, enzymes are sensitive to heat, and most will denature at temperatures greater than 115 degrees. As a result, keeping the temperature below 115 degrees Fahrenheit or eating raw foods yields the greatest and most benefit from the enzymes. Also, taking enzyme supplements before every cooked meal will greatly improve your nutritional absorption rate from cooked foods. And taking enzymes after a raw meal will greatly improve your absorption rate of living foods. For the best benefit, any enzyme supplements you choose should contain all of the major enzyme groups, including amylase, protease, and lipase. For even better digestion, also use the following items on an as-needed basis: apple cider vinegar, HCl pills to quickly strengthen weak stomach acid, Celtic sea salt, and at night, probiotics.